would ask Thomas Shamir to display his presentation.
Thank you very much, and good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for being here. Thank you for inviting us. Just let me know that you see my screen.
Yeah.
Yes.
Great. So again, thank you everyone for joining us today. I'm Thomas Shamir. I'm the COO and co-founder of Aidock. And please, if at any point my voice is being cut or anything like that, just mark. So sometimes we have some bandwidth problems. So first of all, a little introduction about Aidock. We were established in 2017 in Israel to disrupt the bureaucracy and paperwork involved with international trade. So every time a parcel crosses border, it has to be declared to the local customs, and it has to move from point A to point B. We are dealing with the declaration problem, not with the physical movement of the goods. Our technologies are cutting-edge artificial intelligence technologies that designed to maximize human capabilities by generating the communication interface between human and machines. So to identify the biggest problem in that area, we've approached a research conducted by the World Customs Organization, in which their country members pointed out the biggest problems they have in the bureaucracy of customs. What you can see here is the lack of human resources, increased volume, the high clearance costs, the manual procedures, duties and taxes, and high administrative costs are all the problems that our solution can solve and help those countries to perform in a much scalable way. So what's going on today when you have to clear a shipment from customs? If you have a container or a small parcel delivered to you from anywhere outside of Germany or outside the European Union, it has to be declared to customs and go through these 4 steps of process where you have to verify that your documents are aligned with the legal requirements. You have to do the data entry. So either you print documents or you use on-screen PDF, but you still have to do the data entry into the system. The classification, which is granting the relevant ages code for every item. This is maybe the most critical part of customs declaration, as it implies ages code has vast implications on taxation and regulation that apply. Final step is compliance, where you have sometimes you have a clerk that's all he does, making sure that we are complied with the customs regulations after taking various decisions during the process. And finally to customs. An average time frame, a fair average time frame to do this test takes about 30 minutes. It's all been done manually, so it takes time. It is extremely, and every step of the process is a different bottleneck. Our solution is on the right side. You get the customs documents, you use Aidock technology, and you get a customs declaration. And it all can happen within 5 seconds. This is actually a deep dive into the solution and how it works. So as you can see, in big companies, you have a clerk for every part of the process. It's a different task. It's a different and important task to be done in the process. So we've generated an AI assistant for every part of the process. So every clerk in the process of customs declaration can have an AI assistant to help him do more, better, and faster, and maximize its capabilities. Starting from document verification, where you need to make sure that you have all the legal documents required for customs clearance. Then the data entry. So Bailey is here to do the typing. Bailey can read the documents and extract only the relevant content that is directed to customs. Then Cody comes in doing the ages code classification, and Cody is a very unique product, which for the first time in humanity, you can say, it allows accuracy control over ages codes. So you make sure that your ages codes are at the top level possible of accuracy. Last but not least is Darren, which is the supervisor, which helped this clerk to do his job better, to check more stuff faster, and help the entire company generate more revenue and profits. And the advantages of using AI together with human, not AI to replace human, but AI combined with human capabilities, empowering human to do more, better, and faster. The advantages are there's a huge list of advantages. It all sums up into working with a computer to help you do more, improve the accuracy, get your employees into a new place of working with high cutting-edge technologies, and make them do more, better, and faster while you get immediate ROI. So it's not like when you hire people, you see the ROI after 6 months. When you work with AI, ROI comes in the first day. This is a little bit about how do we help our customers to improve their profits. So by using AI technology, we're actually helping our customers to process more, to have a huge capacity compared to what they used to have. And at the same time, we're reducing the operational cost of that capacity. So this way, we're actually expanding the profit margins on every shipment that this company, our customer, processes. A little bit about the market. We have data mainly for parcels, reliable data for parcels. In 2019, 93 billion parcels was sent internationally. This is, by all forecasts, expected to grow to be doubled by 2025 to 200 billion packages. And you cannot process 200 billion packages with manual procedures, especially in the times where you can do research and see along 100% of 18-year-old kids today, how many of them are willing to work for customs and deal with papers in their future. I guess you will have 100% answers of a no. That is why you need to think ahead, to digitize and to implement new technologies that will help you overcome all of those obstacles. A little bit about the business model. So every action that our AI tools are performing is being charged per transaction. So our customers are paying only for the job done by the AI assistants, not paying for overall fees or anything like that. Alongside that, we have the subscription-based license, which is for the users, for human to communicate with the machine. This is a subscription-based charge. So in that way that we are combining AI 100% success and 100% accuracy. The integration, it was very important to us from past lessons that the integration will be seamless to employees when a customer wants to work with AI. One of our customers, which they deal with customs clearance for, it's a courier company. Yesterday, employees used to come to the office and type in an Aegis code. Today, they come to the same office, opening the same software, but the Aegis code is already there. That is the magic. The job is being done behind the scene without changing the platforms or the environment of the employees. Last but not least, I have 10 seconds left. We are a team of, today we're 25 people in the company, but 3 founders for that company, a triangle of talents. Eddie with the vast experience of implementing technologies to improve business processes. Myself from the industry itself was a customs agent. And Sean, which is our CTO, is a very unique AI scientist that globally estimated and was recently featured for Forbes 30 under 30. So the best way to predict the future is to create it. And that is our motto that leads the way for us. And thank you everyone for listening. I'm open for questions and answers.